Okay gardeners, I'm quite excited because we gave our asparagus patch here a really good compost. In fact, this one, it got a bit of compost, it got a bit of fresh soil, it got a little bit of vermiculite, it got a little bit of fertilizer as well, because what I was really noticing from my crowns over the back here compared to the seedlings, which have grown better, is that I only really had a couple of fronds on each of them. This one was a little bit better. The one over there had 2 fronds, and that obviously is not healthy at all. So we put the compost down, we gave it that TLC, and very quickly we got a response. I would say within a week we had a really good response. Now what happened is the one over there put out the thickest asparagus spear I've ever seen. Like, it was thicker than my thumb, and I should have got some photos. I'm not sure if I've got some. However, this one here soon did the same. You can see it's got this beautiful big spear here, which is heading in the right direction, pretty much straight up. The problem we've had with this guy is that he also put up another spear, which he just sent straight into the side of the garden bed. And that is just not great. It's not good at all, because we've actually lost spears from it being too close to the side of the garden bed before. And obviously that is a planting issue on my part. I thought I planted them a little bit further in, and I'm just not sure if maybe the orientation of the crown when I planted it wasn't great, because we have had this particular plant had those spears coming across in this direction. And so maybe when I put it in at a bit of an angle. And so I would be very careful when you plant your asparagus crowns to absolutely make sure, number one, it's not too close to the edge of a garden bed if that's how you're planting it. And I know a lot of people will say, well, just plant it in the ground. Here, it's just not an option. We've got this much topsoil and then rock. So these needed a garden bed, like most things need a garden bed. If you're not planting in a bed, obviously not an issue. But if you are, make sure you space it a good distance in, because not only do you need to think about it potentially hitting the side of that garden bed, but also it's going to grow, it's going to expand, and you want to give it as much room to expand as possible, because then it's going to have the healthier kind of life. If it's hitting up against the edge of your garden bed, it's not going to be that happy, is it? No. So yeah, that is my little tip. What I did actually do is I got a little hand shovel and put it down under this spear here in an attempt to just get it to straighten up, but it's not looking good. However, we have the one very healthy spear and then this quite crooked one here where it's not growing straight, but it seems to be doing okay. So I will take that for the moment, and yeah, we'll just keep going, because when I had a quick look online to see whether there could be an underlying issue with kind of the spears not coming straight up out of the ground, I didn't immediately find anything. So if you do know what could be causing that, let me know.